What's up, fellow crewmates? Here's how you can get the Lusec Greatsword in Crimson Desert. To get this big fancy piece for Damien, make sure to buy at least 10 to 15 pieces of hides first, from any tannery you know, with one you can find in Hernand. Also prepare 20 silver and 97 copper. The Lusec Greatsword offers 22 points in attack and a level 1 critical rate, with 5 vacant Abyss gear slots you can customize to your liking. Then travel to this spot right here, to the northeast of Hernand and straight up north of Deminis. It's in a place called Tariv, which sits somewhere close to the Den River. Just walk around town until you find a shop belonging to the smithy. Go inside and interact with the blacksmith. To get the sword, we need to gain the seller's max trust first. And this is where the hides we bought become useful. Keep gifting the vendor some hides until you reach max trust with him. After you achieve this, return to the buy menu and you'll now be able to purchase the sword for 20 silver and 97 copper. If you have enough coin, buy it and it's all yours. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.